Welcome, my name is Hudson Panning, Field Service Engineer with the Siemens Field Support Group. Today, we'll be going over how to connect a laptop to the A80485 Display unit, or a CPU 3 module if a display unit is not available. We're going to use the GCP 3000 Plus to demonstrate, but the process will be the same for any of our current product lines that contain the push-button display unit, including the MS4000, GCP 4000, and GCP 5000. Menu options may vary slightly between products. To connect your laptop, the first thing you need is an Ethernet cable. On the display unit, connect the Ethernet cable to the laptop port. If you are connecting using the CPU 3, use the laptop port near the bottom of the currently powered module. So now that you have your Ethernet cable connected, you'll want to type in the IP address, which is http://192.168.255.81, and press enter. And now you're at the login screen. To log in, you'll want to type in the password. The default password is GCP 4000 with GCP in caps. If you have any questions about what we've gone over today, feel free to give us a call at technical support. Thank you and have a safe day.